I'm back, everyone. Jeremy from LandCon Luxury Landscapes. I'm on another job site this morning, making my rounds. You can see behind me that amazing looking pavilion. I'm talking about one of a kind. I'm going to spin this around. You guys got to get a better look at this. That is gorgeous. What a design. Very unique, modern, one of a kind. That's what we do with our designs. We try to make everything look a little bit different. So this is going to be a beautiful pavilion when it's all said and done. We got Douglas fir 8x8 posts. We got the cedar tongue and groove ceiling. We made the provisions here. You're going to see one, two, there's a third cutout back there. Those are going to be flush mounted ceramic heaters that'll heat the underside of this. You can see we have all the holes for the pot lights already from the electrician put in. We got this beautiful natural stone kitchen, Owen Sound tiger stripe that is being done here right now with our mason, who's actually just taking a break right now. We got the cutouts for the shelving, access panel. This will be where the sink's going to be. Over here, there'll be two side-by-side fridges. This is where the grill top will be. So this is really coming along. This is beautiful. You guys would have saw this last year when we had it just kind of set up. It's more or less almost done now. We have all the units on order. We're using all Crown Verity units over there. And then over here, we have our new pool equipment shed, which is on one side, and on the other side it's actually going to be a bathroom. So we have the guys in there right now doing the interior of that, the tile work, drywall and whatnot. So that's really nice to the bathroom. This is coming along beautiful. We're doing the flagstone on the floor. So this job will be ready for the nice weather as soon as it comes along. Hopefully I get an invite for a barbecue here because I want to test out these appliances. Crown Verity, amazing appliances. Supplied, we're getting them by our friends over at Inside Out Patio, Chris and Sam. Big shout out for you guys. So guys, stay tuned for this one. This one's coming along. It's almost done. We got our templater coming, going to template the granite for the kitchen countertop as well. So it's going to be, what do I say? A stunner. Guys, I'm off to another job site. So again, hopefully you'll see me on the next video. This is Jeremy from LandCon Luxury Landscapes. And as always, I'm going to say it again, quality, on time, on budget. That's the LandCon experience, guys. Take care. See you on the next one.